Welcome to the TriVac 500 and 700 pressure cleaner installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting video. It is provided for you to better understand our products and how they operate. Before beginning installation, make sure to read the TriVac 500 and 700 manuals carefully and completely. These manuals are included with the product. This video is designed to serve as a quick overview and does not replace or supersede the detailed installation or operation requirements set forth in the owner's manual. Pay close attention to all safety instructions, warnings, and cautions before installing the TriVac 500 or 700 pressure cleaner. For a free copy of the manual, please visit www.hayward.com. Safety facts. Do not use to remove large debris in new pools. Remove the cleaner before chemically shocking your pool. Do not swim with cleaner. Store the cleaner in a shaded, safe area. Hoses must be stored straight. Do not coil the hose. Keep away from children and pets. Remove cleaner when performing filter backwash. Remember, safety first. This video will assume that a booster pump with the appropriate output is being used. Hayward has a booster pump model 6060 available if needed. To begin, manually remove very large and excessive debris from pool. Backwash your DE or sand filter or manually clean your cartridge filter. Empty and clean your skimmer, circulation pump basket, or any other device used to trap debris from the pool. Before installing the TriVac 500 or 700, balance the pool chemistry. This will increase the effectiveness of the cleaner once installed. The chart on the screen details the levels required. The TriVac 500 and 700 carton contain the following items: the TriVac unit, the debris bag, one pressure hose that includes wall quick connect, one sweep hose pre-connected, bag with pressure gauge and universal wall fitting. The following tools will be needed to complete the installation: adjustable open-end wrench, flat blade screwdriver, cutting tool. The first thing we need to do is turn off the circulation pump and booster pump at the time clock and/or breaker. Next, determine the type of dedicated line that is being used so we can make the proper connection. First, remove plug or existing universal wall fitting from previously installed pool cleaner, if any. In most cases, the dedicated line will be a 1.5-inch female threaded fitting that is flush with the pool surface. For this type of installation, the universal wall fitting will thread into the pool wall. Make sure to apply the appropriate amount of Teflon tape to the male threads. In some instances, the fitting at the pool wall may be 3/4 of an inch. You will need to obtain a 3/4 of an inch male by 1.5-inch PVC female adapter from your local hardware or plumbing store. This adapter will need to be threaded into the 3/4-inch wall fitting so the universal wall fitting can be used as shown. Please use Teflon tape on the 3/4-inch male fitting. Before the pressure hose can be sized correctly, stretch it out on the pool deck for at least 3 hours. The pressure hose comes coiled in the box, and if it is not straightened before installation, it may hold the coil while in the water. This could hinder the performance of the cleaner. Connect the pressure hose piece that has the wall quick connect attached. Lock the quick connect into the universal wall fitting by turning clockwise. Stretch the hose to the furthest point in the pool. You only need 3 to 4 feet of hose past the furthest point reached. Measure the excess amount of hose that needs to be removed. Cut the measured amount from the last 8-foot section of the main hose. For every 2.5 feet of hose removed, 1 float should be removed. Be careful. Do not cut the sweep hose. Reconnect the last section of hose as shown on the screen. Pay close attention to the directions from the manual shown on the screen. When installing the debris bag, push down as shown on the screen until you hear a click. The click tells you it has locked in place. To remove, pull back on the top of the debris bag frame, then up. After removing the debris bag for cleaning, slip off the closer at the bottom of the bag as shown on the screen. Allowing the bag to dry will make it easier to remove debris as shown. A full debris bag will hinder the performance of the cleaner. Attach the pressure gauge to the end of the hose and submerge it in the water. Turn on the circulation pump, then the booster pump. Use a flat blade screwdriver to set the pressure. Too much pressure will cause poor cleaning and premature wear of cleaner parts. Low pressure will affect cleaner's performance and cleaning capability. Check pressure regularly for the best cleaning performance. Turn the circulation and booster pumps off. Remove the pressure gauge and attach the pressure hose to the cleaner as shown. Place the cleaner in the pool, taking care to remove all air. Turn the circulation and booster pump back on. The TriVac 500 is a bottom-only cleaner. The TriVac 700 has a switch on the top front that allows the cleaner to clean the bottom or top of the water. To clean the bottom and sides of the pool, rotate the switch to the arrow down for the bottom mode. To skim the pool surface, rotate the switch to the arrow up for skim mode. The sweep hose has an adjustment screw near where the hose attaches to the pressure hose. If the sweep hose moves slowly or not at all, turn the adjustment knob counterclockwise to increase sweep hose power. If the sweep hose frequently sprays out of the pool, turn the adjustment knob clockwise to reduce sweep hose power. To clean the inline filter, shut off the circulation and booster pump. Remove the wall quick connect from the universal wall fitting. Locate the filter in the pressure hose and unthread the cap counterclockwise as shown, and clean the filter with fresh water. When reassembling, make sure the O-ring is in place. If the screen frequently becomes plugged, the filtration system is not performing properly, or there is another plumbing problem. If a hole forms in the sweep hose, it should be replaced. Unscrew the mender nut from the hose and pull the sweep hose off the cleaner connector. Attach a new sweep hose to the cleaner connector. The sweep hose rollers are wear parts. When the rollers wear down to the outer groove or wear line, replace the wear roller. The debris bag should be replaced if it is torn. If a swivel ceases to turn easily or leaks while the cleaner is running, it should be replaced. The tires are wear parts. When the tires wear down to the wear marks, replace the tires. The side rollers are wear parts. When the side rollers wear down, replace the side rollers. Let's now cover troubleshooting. Cleaner is moving slowly or not at all. Check inline filter, booster pump, valves, and cleaner hose connections. Recheck cleaner pressure. Check and make sure pool filter is clean. Backwash or clean as needed. Cleaner does not reach farthest point in pool. Recheck hose length and add extra section if needed. Cleaner unable to clear obstacles such as stairs, steps, and ladders. Hose is too short. Add extra hose section. Hose frequently tangles. Hose floats not properly placed. Check position of the floats on the hose. Float placement should closely match what is on the screen. Hose may also be too long. Recheck hose length. Sweep hose may not be moving. Check sweep hose for clogs and holes. Sweep hose sprays out of pool. Adjust sweep hose power down. See sweep hose adjustment earlier in this video. Little or no sweep hose movement. Check sweep hose power and increase as covered earlier in this video. Check for holes in sweep hose and replace if needed. If sweep hose is clogged, remove and flush out with water. Cleaner running on side or upside down. Check debris bag for heavy load. Empty as needed. Check pressure setting of unit as covered earlier in this video. Cleaner cannot climb to surface in top mode. Check debris bag for heavy load. Empty as needed. Check pressure setting of unit as covered earlier in this video. Cleaner runs in small circles. Pressure hose may be bent or coiled. Lay out in the sun until straight. Cleaner gets stuck on shallow area of pools, such as beach entry, tanning shelf, etc. Sweep hose may be obstructing the movement of the cleaner. Operate cleaner without sweep hose. Cleaner does not cover the entire pool. Sweep hose may be affecting the operation of the cleaner. Operate the cleaner without the sweep hose. For professional help and service, go to hayward.com and select Dealer Locator, which you will see directly below the Hayward logo and to the right of Products. Next, provide the postal code of where the system is installed, as well as 1. The search radius, 2. Pool type, 3. Product repair and service, 4. All Hayward products. Lastly, Select Submit, and you will see all local Hayward authorized service centers who can assist with Hayward troubleshooting, maintenance, operation, and service. You may need to enlarge your search radius if you do not receive any results. Remember to visit Hayward Pool Products at www.hayward.com, along with our social media sites for helpful information about your Hayward products.